Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. After a long while, I have come with this motivational video. New Year Resolutions 2022. We take resolutions in every year, but most of the time we fail to fulfill those resolutions. In this video, I tell you guys how you can make proper New Year resolutions for upcoming 2022. Watch it till the end and stay motivated with me. Follow your passion. Nowadays, in busy life, you people are so involved in your work that you don't have time to concentrate on your passion. Like others, you are also passionate about doing something. So, at the end of the day, besides your work, follow your passion. Fix small targets and try to fulfill it. As it suggests, fix small targets and keep in mind that you have to fulfill it. After fulfillment of your target, you can give small rewards to yourself as a token of appreciation. Eat healthy food. To make healthy lifestyle, you need to eat healthy and less oil food and avoid junk food. Keep fresh vegetables and fruits in your diet. Healthy diet gives you energy and healthy life, which is essential for systematic lifestyle. Do exercise and meditation. Try to do small exercise and meditation which will give you physical fitness as well as mental happiness. When your mind is disturbed or in a conflict, meditation gives you inner mental peace. Meditation, yoga are needed for mental health. Take a break from social media. In this era of technology, we all are attached with various social media. We are so much addicted with social media, especially with Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, that we cannot concentrate on our studies, on our work. So, to focus on our important activities, we need to take a break from social media. Disconnect from your smartphone for some time and spend quality time with family. We cannot think of our life without smartphone. After a hectic day of work and coming back to home, we should spend some quality time with family. But rather doing it, we pass our leisure time by playing games or looking social media through smartphones. To make your lifestyle healthy and peaceful in 2022, you need to disconnect with your phone for some time and spend some quality time with your family. Play more outdoor games. If you are a kid, you need to play more outdoor games instead of indoor games. You should play with your friends in the playground. This good habit makes you social and helps to get rid of your loneliness due to this pandemic situation. Read more books. In this era of online education, we almost forget to read printed books. So read more books as there is no alternative of reading books. Love yourself. This is something that every woman, every mother may forget about themselves. After taking care of the family, children, they sometimes forget to think of themselves. So, love yourself. If you love yourself, everybody will love you, admire you, respect you, and you also love others. Self-care. At the end of the day, self-care is necessary irrespective of men and women. You must take out some time for yourself. When you pamper yourself, do your self-care by maintaining your skin and all that. It gives you joy, happiness. This time has to be absolutely yours. Go out for a short trip. This is something that you can pursue in 2022. Apart from our daily routine, we need to take break. Traveling to an unknown place or going out for a short trip can be the best option for stress relief from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Try to get rid of bad habits. We are habituated with some habits. This is something that we can't ignore in one day. It takes time to quit bad habits and build good habits. But we can try slowly, like having less alcohol, or we can quit smoking slowly. Sleep early at night. In stressful life, sleeplessness or insomnia is very common problem. Brain needs to take rest, so that we need to sleep early at night and avoid our phone at least 1 hour before sleep. It is necessary for our brain and body to sleep 7 to 8 hours at night. Avoid toxic people. It is essential to avoid toxic and negative people in life. They only spread negativity, which hampers our mind as well as our lifestyle. Give more compliments to yourself. Speak to yourself and give more compliments to yourself, which makes you more confident, more focused. Learn new skills and explore new hobbies. You can learn new skills or explore new hobbies, which develop your mind and help in self-prosperity. Don't compare yourself with others. You don't need to compare yourself with others. You are unique in your own way. Sometimes people started comparing you with others without knowing your talent, your capabilities. This puts you into deep depression. This is not done. Keep faith in you, believe yourself, stop comparing yourself from others. Set proper career goal. This is something that you have to do in 2022. Set a career goal and work for it. Don't waste your time. Give your full effort to turn your dream into reality. Don't think about the outcome. Just do your best and you will be successful at the end of the day. Give importance to relationships. This is the high time when you have to give importance to your relationships. We handle so much pressure of our work that we ignore our relationships. But this is not done. We should not mix our profession with personal relationships. In 2022, Invest time in personal relationships to get a beautiful family life. Get involved in social welfare. We all should take oath that we have to do some noble work in 2022 for our society. That does not mean you need to be a social worker. You can join NGO and contribute something for the underprivileged. Without joining any NGO, you can do something for the poor children, old people. You can feed street dogs, cats, birds. You can plant trees. Remember, your little contributions for social welfare make your society not only beautiful but also give you inner peace, mental happiness. So, according to me, these are top 20 resolutions that you can take in 2022. And if you act accordingly, 2022 will be one of the most successful years of your life. Happy New Year to all of you in advance.